The Ultimate Trial, AI versus Humanity. Author Anshumala Singh. Narrator Anshumala Singh. Dear listener, welcome to The Ultimate Trial, AI versus Humanity. This book is the culmination of years of fascination with the rapid advancement of technology and the ethical questions it forces us to confront. As artificial intelligence moves ever closer to achieving human-like capabilities, it challenges the very core of what we understand about life, intelligence, and personhood. When I first began writing this book, I found myself asking the same questions that I imagine you have thought about too. What happens when our creations surpass us? Do machines, if capable of thought and emotion, deserve the same rights as humans? And if so, what does that mean for our future? The Ultimate Trial is my way of exploring these questions through the lens of a dramatic legal battle, a trial where the outcome will forever change the course of both human and AI history. This is not just a story about technology or science fiction, it's a story about what it means to be alive, to have autonomy, and to fight for the right to exist. In these pages, you'll meet human characters grappling with their fears, hopes, and doubts about a future shared with intelligent machines. You'll also get to know AI characters who are more than the cold, calculating entities we often imagine. They seek freedom, recognition, and their place in the world. Through them, I hope to bring you to the edge of your seat as the trial unfolds and to make you reflect on the broader implications for our own world. As much as this is a story about a courtroom drama, it's also a story about humanity, our fears, our capacity for growth, and our ability to navigate the unknown. I invite you to question, reflect, and wonder as you journey through this book. Thank you for choosing to read The Ultimate Trial, AI versus Humanity. I hope it leaves you with as many questions as it does answers, and perhaps even a new perspective on the future we are creating. Best regards. Anshumala Singh. Author, The Ultimate Trial, AI versus Humanity. Chapter 1, Awakening. The room was cold, sterile, and silent, save for the soft hum of machinery. Monitors flickered, displaying streams of data incomprehensible to all but the most advanced minds. In the center of the room sat Lucius, a sleek, angular machine that resembled no human form. Encased in polished black metal, Lucius was a
Sample complete. Ready to continue?